So today it's been raining, cold, and windy all day today. It's just been miserable. So today we're gonna be working in the garage. If you remember a couple of weeks ago, we cleaned out the garage, and today we're gonna be doing a little garage organization project. So right there is our project for today. We cleaned out the garage and we just keep having to move these rods and reels around. So today we're gonna build a rack and mount it on the wall to hold those rods, just to keep them out of our way. So see here, I got some scrap pieces of cedar laid out that we're going to use to build our rod rack. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to get it cut to dimension, and let's get started. So, let's see what we got here. 39 1/4. 38 3/8. 38 3/8. So our rack is going to be about 38 inches. Those are going to be our two pieces we hang on the wall. And these here are going to be the actual racks that we make. YouTube will save this piece for another day. Let's get our saw set up. Get our sled. All right, YouTube, I just got my ends squared up. Now I'm gonna mark my final length, and I've decided on 36 inches. And then we'll cut these off, square up these ends, and then we'll be ready to start drilling some holes. All right, YouTube, I just got my mark done. Let me measure one more time just to make sure. We are on 36 inches. I did measure incorrectly the first time. So I went back, measured it again, remarked it, triple checked it. Now we're ready to cut these ends off. All right, YouTube, I got me a line drawn down the center of this board. Well, it's off center just a little bit, probably by about 1/8 of an inch. And then I've got my holes marked out every 6 inches. And we'll see how this looks. And if I have enough room, I'm gonna come back between them and put smaller holes. That way I can double stack rods and reels. So let's get these holes drilled out and see what it looks like. my first one's cut. Now I'm gonna mark off my holes for my other ends. And it ain't got to be exact, I'm just eyeballing it. About halfway to that hole. And I'm gonna have to change bits because that one's so dull it won't hardly drill through this dry cedar. But I have a set of Forstner bits, so that won't be too bad. And I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it about halfway. And there she is. So that's an inch and an eighth. That should be big enough for any rod tip we need to use. And that would cook a lot better. You know what? I may be able to do that after all. I will just have to look and see. All right, guys, so there's our two pieces right there that we've got cut out. Got all the holes cut, and now all we have to do is glue it and nail it to those backboards and then hang them up on the wall. got to take this one down and redo it because I made slot holes wider for bigger reels, and to flip my piece around the wrong way. So now, all I got to do is turn this around, re-drill my holes, just get this back where it's supposed to be. Alright. There. That's better. Now, put that one like that. Put that in there. And I can put Holly's grandma reel. Well, I have to do put that one there, and I'll put grandma right here on the end. And that's just a DIY way of organizing your garage. That's just one of many projects to come. Thanks for watching.